Welcome to CADSTATION. In today's tutorial, we are going to make this part by using the Solidworks 2022. So let's start our tutorial from the new and select the part. Now we are going to use the front plane sketch and circle. Let's start from the origin, make two circles, and these are of 20 and 34 mm. This is of 20 and 34 mm. Now next is select the line and from anywhere make a line, and the second line, and okay. Now one more line that's going to be for construction. Just make a vertical line and escape. Now smart dimension. This is going to be of 60 mm, 60 degrees, not mm, and this is going to be same 60 degrees. And now we are going to use the arc, the 3-point arc. First, let's make here. Again, from here, make one more arc and escape. Now next is a smart dimension. We are going to mention the dimensions as this is of 96 mm, and the second one is of 88 mm. Zoom to fit. And now we are going to smart dimension distance between these two are, let's, okay, this is still the driven, so let's delete this. I'm going to make select this point, and by pressing Ctrl select the arc. Okay, escape, exit from smart dimension, this point and the arc, and this is going to be coincident, this one and this arc is going to be coincident. Next is these two lines are parallel. Okay, it's showing some error. Okay, no problem. Trim entities, we are going to trim this one. Now fillet, these two are going to be now next is we are going to select the line. Now this point and the line, it's going to be coincident. Trim entities, and this is done. Now next is I'm going to, okay, wait, Control Z, little bit more, and smart dimension, this is 8 mm. This length is going to be 35 mm, and 8 mm. Okay, wait a minute, where is the 88? This arc is of 88 mm, and done. Now next is we are going to check the gap at 6.28, so we are going to change, just try to take it here, it's become 8.24. now take it to the left side little, and I think 7.58, that's nearly 8 mm, so that's done. Now next is we are going to features, Extrude Boss base, and this is going to be select contours. So we have one and the two contours that's going to be of 20 mm and done. Okay, now fillet 1 and the 2. This is going to be of 5 mm and okay. Make a circle, find the midpoint, make a circle of 6 mm, control 7 for isometric view or make it of 8 mm. Not the 6, it's going to be of 8 mm and features extrude cut and done. Now one more thing, if you just take a look on the part, you can see there is a little gap between this circle cylinder and a strip, so we have to make this. How can we do this? It's simple. Again, select the front plane, sketch, make a circle, and you can make one more circle here or simply select the circle and convert in radius. We have two options. I show you both. Okay, one more thing that we forget is Boss Extrude edit features. This is going to be mid plane and done. Extrude cut, edit sketch. This is going to be at the center and okay. Control 7 for isometric view. Now it's become easy for us. Edit sketch, features, extrude boss base. Now it helps us here in mid plane and this is going to be of 30 mm. Now you can see the gap is maintained here. Control 7 for isometric view. Now we can change its appearance. Done. Or if you want, you may flit not the whole this edge and this one. And okay. Control 7 for isometric view. It's done. Now the part is completed here. So hopefully you will understand how to make this. If you are new to CADSTATION, then don't forget to subscribe and share to your friends. Thank you.